Hello. Let us now do a question on from ISI 2015. This question is on probability. So it says if two balanced die are rolled, the sum of the dots obtained is even with probability, and it is given. So let's try and see how can we solve this. So the sum can be even only under two circumstances. One, when dice 1 and die 2 both have even number on it, right? That's the first thing that can happen. So even plus even would give you even. Or when die 1 and die 2 both have odd on it. So an odd number plus odd number will also give you even. So ideally this question rolls down to two things: the probability of me getting both even numbers and the probability of me getting both odd numbers. The probability of us getting even and even is nothing but the probability of even multiplied by the probability of even, right? That is what is happening. So I want even in the first die and I want even in the second die also. These are two independent evens. So I just multiply the probability of getting even in the first die and the probability of getting even in the second die in bracket. Because these are independent evens, I just have to multiply their probabilities independently with each other. Similarly, because the probability of getting odd in the first die is not dependent on the probability of getting odd in the second die, the probability of getting odd and odd in two dies is simply probability of getting odd in the first die into probability of getting odd in the second die, right? Now, what is the probability of getting even? You get even when it is 2, 4, 6. You get even when it is 2, 4, 6. So this is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. You get odd when it is 1, 3, 5. So it is again 3 evens out of 6 and 3 evens out of 6. So let's try and see how to solve this. So x1 is the number of dots on die 1, x2 is the number of dots on dice 2. x1 and x2 are independent. When you throw the first die, whatever you get, and when you throw the second die, whatever you get is not dependent on what you got on the first die. So getting a 2 on the second die is independent of getting anything on the first dice. So they're independent events. The probability of the sum being even is when both of them are even or both of them are odd, because only in these two cases the sum is going to be even. The probability of getting even in the first two dice, because they're independent, you multiply probability of getting even individually. The probability of getting odd in both the dice, because these are independent, you multiply probability of getting odd in each of these and you get this. Okay, so now even is when it belongs to 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. So 2, 4, 6, the probability is 3 by 6, which is half. Similarly, 1, 3, 5, the probability is 3 by 6, which is half. So it's half into half plus half into half. The final answer is half. So this is a numerical on probability in ISI 2015 paper.